said was not the highlight. This is the highlight. We are the only people on this island. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video we will kick off our Langkawi trip with one of the most unique and exciting experiences on the island, the Kilim Geo Forest Park Tour. This place is honestly one of the most beautiful and unique ecosystems in Malaysia. And trust me, if you're a nature lover like us, this one is a must do. So make sure you watch this video till the end for all the details on how we booked it, what it cost, what to expect, and of course lots of beautiful scenery throughout the video. So let's go. As you already know, we checked into our hotel in Koha, and if you're curious about where we stayed, check out my dedicated hotel review video, which is linked in the description below. And it is around 1:45 at the moment, and we have made a booking for 2:30 p.m. for the Geo Forest Park, and it is pretty close to our hotel and it will take us just 30 minutes of drive to reach there. Okay, so a bit of information about the booking first. We booked this tour directly through the official Kilim Geo Forest Park website. There is a WhatsApp number listed there, and it was super easy. We messaged them, confirmed our timing, and paid at the counter upon arrival. By the way, if you're considering Klook, it is also a good option, but the timing is fixed. It's either 9:30 a.m. or 3 p.m., and it was a shared experience. We wanted a little more freedom in our schedule, so we skipped doing that. We booked a 4-hour private boat package for 350 Malaysian ringgit, which gave us full flexibility. No rushing, no crowd, just us, and will take us to the most attractive and popular locations in the Geo Forest Park for the sightseeing experiences. And just a heads up, if you go as a walk-in, the rates at the counter were more expensive. So my suggestion will be do book in advance and save some money. Okay, so here we are, and as we see, the best part here is that the boats are covered. So even if it's a little bit sunny at the moment, I think we should enjoy our ride. That's a boat. That's a boat. The first destination is here, the Bat Cave. It is just 10 minutes away from the starting point, and there is an entry fee of 2 Malaysian ringgit per person. The cave was named as a bat cave because of the large population of the Malaysian fruit bat that resides here.
नहीं नहीं, अब हमने आंटी को देख लिया और उसको भी देख लिया और वैसी को इंजेक्शन लगे थे
यार, हमें ना एक आध उनको बुला के लाना पड़ेगा पहले,
हाँ
या सोनल को निकलने देते हैं.
डोंट स्केयर देम
Make sure to rent a flashlight before entering the cave, as it is quite dark inside. The cave also boasts some of the dramatic limestone formations, and walking through the dim lit caves with the hanging colonies of death felt like stepping into an adventurous movie. एंट्री
क्या लिखा है?
सांप है ऊपर. हाँ. Following our visit to Bat Cave, we proceeded our visit to the Crocodile Cave, making our way through the picturesque mangrove forest, and the scenery was breathtaking. So, our second destination is the Crocodile Cave, which, when looked at the right angle, it resembles the look of crocodile. It is pretty unique because it is actually a natural tunnel developed by water. Only at a low tide, the boat can navigate from one side to another. What we got to know कि आप इस टूर के पे मॉर्निंग आवर्स में मत आना इफ़ यू प्लान टू सी दी क्रोकोडाइल केव इज़ वेल। इट वॉज अ ब्यूटीफुल वन क्योंकि मॉर्निंग में यहाँ पे फुल टाइड की हाई टाइड की वजह से केव में पानी फुल रहता है। बोला ना, हाई टाइड की वजह से पानी फुल रहता है केव के अंदर एंड यू कैन जस्ट सी इट फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड, नॉट फ्रॉम द इनसाइड। Water is extremely deep. 5 मीटर गहरा पानी है ये. Looks calm and composed. And after a short stay with monkeys in the mangrove, we headed to one of the other highlight for a tour, and that is eagle feeding. It is a beautiful sight where a large number of eagles circle in the sky and dive into water to catch their food. So, when we reached the eagle feeding spot, the boat engine was shut down to eliminate the noises, and the captain threw the meat pieces in the water for the eagles. The eagle have terrific eyesight and they started to come down to catch their food floating on the water. Honestly, it feels like stepping into a different world altogether, gliding through calm water surrounded by lush mangroves and towering limestone cliffs. All of this is so picture perfect. We stopped briefly at Dangli Island to feed some food to the fishes. And of course, if you want to have, you can have some snorkeling sessions here with the fishes. Loving the waves and the water and the breeze here. Then we headed into Andaman Sea and stopped by the secluded beach. This was easily one of my favorite parts. The crystal clear water, soft sand, and zero crowd. Just pure island magic. It was one of the isolated beaches where we can sit and appreciate the stunning scenery. The water was crystal clear and the sun sparkling over it was stunning sight to see. I think what I just said was not the highlight. This is the highlight. We are the only people on this island. I can't say how happy I am to be here. Beautiful water, beautiful beach. And just three of us. Just three of us. What could I have asked for more, God? After spending some time here, we headed to the famous landmark for the Kilimgeo Forest Park. Yes, the one you see right when you search this place online. It's all over social media. But the view was truly majestic. We concluded the tour on the fish farm where they had stingrays, groupers, and more. There was a floating restaurant too, which is usually included if you book a package, but we skipped it because we are vegetarian and there were, I think, very limited options.
Thank you. Yeah. It was such a nice captain to our boat.
Also, something that really stood out was when we came back, the place felt completely empty.
कोई है?
Like, literally no
कोई
one.
है?
It was so still and quiet that it almost felt surreal, as if we had the whole of the forest to ourselves. A very unique feeling to end this
Really looks
trip.
great.
And just when we thought the day was over, we discovered a small area right outside the Kilinjio Forest Park. It had those lovely walking trails, super green and peaceful. We spent some time there just walking and soaking in the calm after such an adventurous day. This place is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the whole experience felt like a perfect blend of adventure, nature, and peace. It truly is an unforgettable experience, which I would really recommend doing, especially if you are a nature lover visiting Langkawi. And if you enjoyed the scenery and found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps me making video like this each week, and stay tuned for more exciting travel videos from Langkawi and Malaysia. See you in the next one, and don't forget to share your favorite part of the tour in the comment below.
गाड़ी खड़ी हुई है वहाँ पर। ओह, कैट के ट्रेल, लेट्स गेट गोइंग। बहुत प्यास भी लग रही है।